那你把崔西放在嘉宾。
不用，这样他要重新进入很烦。这个会议是只有我们3个人的。
崔西听得到吗？哦，他不能说话是吧？
对啊，
观众不能说话。
那我想想，我再放。
Hello, everyone. Good day. Okay, we are about to start and just wait for another 5 minutes. Yes, everybody, you can hear my voice. This is Naim from Learning and Development Department.
Sound check， 我 check 一下。
我的去，
我跟他们互动。上面有人说，你再 check。我知道。哦，因为有延迟，我刚没事。我跳的在里面来这边下线。
Okay, thank you. Just feel you. We will starting soon. And colleagues, if after you join, please just check the QR code to make a check-in and get a chance to win the prize later after the course. And don't forget to import your HPP HIC ID number. You'll be lucky enough. Alhamdulillah. For your HPP HIC ID, just register your HIC partner proof and go to me personal profile, and there will be a HIC ID there. And just record that ID number and input in the survey.
刚才截图吗？我们可以给他们看那个截图。你这样，你现在结束。在哪个？
All right. If you have already registered your HPP HIC Partner Pro account, right? Just like this. Okay, you see it? And go to me at the left button of it, and you can get the personal information, and you will get the HIC ID here. HIC ID here. All right, quite easy. Okay, again, please, if for colleagues, if you cannot find your HIC ID, just to make sure to enable your HIC Partner Pro apps and find the right button of me, right? And then click your personal profile here. There will be your HIC ID here. All right, you get it? Good luck. Okay, so let's start. Welcome to Hikvision MEA open course. Let me introduce myself first before we start. All right, this is Naeem Cho from Hikvision MEA Learning and Development Department. Thanks for your coming. And during the course, if you have any questions regarding to the session's content, you can just feel free to contact with us in the chatting box. And our engineer Michael and Tracy will be ready there to give you the answers. Okay, so today what we are going to have in our first MEA Auburn course is to introduce about our Hikvision's latest smart hybrid light camera that provide clever lighting to suit your varied security needs. And with the introduction, we may have some doubts about what it is exactly it is about smart, right? Because we put the keyword as a smart hybrid. And what it means for the hybrid light. How does it work? What's the technology that behind the title? And what is the benefit compared with the current lighting supplement solutions? Okay, for all of the questions, now we will lift the veil and introduce for you now. As we all know, the night security monitoring is a very common and typical application scenario in our daily CCTV, right? So have you ever made any pinpoints due to the night vision security? Maybe a lot, right? Or what we concerns most in such kind of situation, night vision? Yes, we may have a lot of different answers due to the different supplement light solutions. For example, normally for the night vision CCTV security, we deploy cameras with IR light, right? Of course, it works up to a point that at least we can see identify the object from the captured image. But the disadvantage is also quite obvious. It is that we can only get a black and white image that lack of the colorful information to limit a further analysis about the monitoring objects. As we can see here on the picture, may anyone can tell the color of the car? Just right there, the car. What's the color of it? Green, blue, or maybe red, right? Or any other colors. You can say it is quite difficult to identify. And apart from that, when we use cameras with IR light, actually, it is also very easy to cause a IR light overexposure issue due to the strong reflections, just like the car license plate here in the pictures. So maybe not that perfect, right? Okay. So apart from the IR solutions, maybe we have another solution. Yes, cameras with LED white lights, right? Different from the IR light. Now we use white light. So it will be a pretty good idea, maybe. Now we overcome the limitation from the IR light and bring the colorful information back. We can easily capture and identify the details of the objects with nothing lost. Details, right? But however, some people may still think if the white light is too striking, if you feel it or not, too striking, it can easily be an eye catcher during the night. So everybody knows, yes, there will be a camera there, right? Especially in the scenarios that requires a good concealing deployment. For example, like the shops, the residence area, and so on. Or even a concerning of light pollution during the night, especially in the cities. So whether cameras with IR light or white light, plan A or plan B, normally we have to make the choice in our daily. So we might think, is it possible for us to have a better camera light supplement idea that can overcome the both disadvantage and only takes advantages of the IR or white light? No color information lost, with a good image quality, and also with a good concealing deployment. without any light pollutions during the night? Maybe. So, yes, here we comes about the Hikvision Smart Hybrid Light cameras. It is a kind of camera that equipped with both IR and LED light at the same time, which can be used as a pure hybrid light camera or white light camera, or you can think it's a kind of IR light camera. How it works and why we name it as a smart hybrid light camera. The answer is quite simple, just as we show it here. You can see the pictures. We deploy the camera and enable the camera, especially, for example, like in the smart supplement light mode. See, if no person or vehicle objects occurs in the monitoring area, nothing there. So camera will just keep working in IR light mode, right? Only IR light, which owns a very good concealing performance, not that noticeable, and no light pollutions. But once any valuable objects, just like persons or cats, cars, occurs and charger, the camera will automatically switch and enable the white light within 2 seconds. Thus, to capture the objects in a colorful image with nothing lost, all the details. Then, after the event and after the charging, camera will turn back to the IR light again and keep concealing and ready to wait for the next charger. So that's it. So when deploy Hikvision Smart Hybrid Light, you can set it to work in the modes as you want. For example, in the pure IR mode, so it can just work like a camera with an IR light. Or in the 24 hours white light mode, just like to work as a camera with a white light, second choice. Or the recommended smart mode. Otherwise, if the environment of the deployment, camera deployment, is with enough light condition, you can even choose turn off the lights, which disable or turn off all the lights of the camera. So whatever the situation or scenario it is, you will always find most suitable light working mode to benefit you, to benefit the site. Nowadays, as we said, with the development of security cameras, we are pretty sure that the camera with smart hybrid light is the future. So that we Hikvision upgrade the camera with IR light now into the smart hybrid light cameras. It's no longer a pure IR camera. It is now becoming to the smart hybrid light camera. And now, we can see still most of the customers and users in the market are in the IR light age. So it is now our opportunity and chance to make a better smart hybrid light camera chassis to benefit the market with a smart light supplement mode. We believe that. What's more, driven by the camera technology development, people are continually seeking for a better surveillance image quality. Not only to see it, but to see it in a more clear way. So Hikvision now upgrades the ColorVu series cameras with a smart hybrid lighting camera as well. So here comes a smart hybrid light, not only from the IR light cameras, but also smart hybrid light with ColorVu technologies. So what the ColorVu bring us? So just focusing on the most important point, an extremely great 24/7 colorful image. As we can see the timeline here, from the night to the daytime, right? When it comes to the early night or early evening, there's still a certain or then rich environment light from the road light or the resident buildings, from the office or anything else. So the ColorVu camera itself can provide us a very good colorful image even without enable the supplement light. Then with night going, right, we face really poor environment light. Then the camera's warm white light turns on just to ensure the colorful image till the daytime. And why ColorVu camera can provide such a great image performance? Here's the secret. Apart from Hikvision's excellent image processing algorithms, unique special image processing algorithms, Hikvision ColorVu cameras equips a f1.0. So the f number is 1, super confocal lens. f1.0, as we know, the smaller of the f number, that means the larger of the light amount that the camera can collect it to the sensor, right? So technically speaking, compared with the f2.0, for example, it will be able to collect it 4 times more light, which makes the image more brighter. Then work with the super confocal low dispersion lens, which ensure a best light focusing performance for IR light and visible light at the same time, right? Both IR light and visible light to provide you a best image performance ever. And we can see here in the demo picture, all are in clear and very less bezels. This is the secret. And besides, for the ColorVu series, yes, Hikvision provides Lifeguard cameras with smart hybrid light technology as well for further consideration. There will be an independent alarm white light along with audio speaker to make a more active prevention during the night. And here's a chart which shows a white light working logic in different modes. Here we can see the chart. For example, when enable the smart mode for the Lifeguard systems, then the IR and white supplement light will work as it said. If no target or no object occurs, okay, it will keep working in IR light. And when person or vehicle targets occurs, it will schedule the white light. And when objects left, it will turn back to the IR light again. Right? And apart from that, there will be an extra white alarm light when objects scheduled and in the situation of off mode. All supplement light will be disabled, but the white alarm light will still on the work when objects scheduled. So easily work, and it will benefit the reality a lot. So we can realize a smart hybrid light supplement solution and Lifeguard function at the same time now, with total 10 embedded and 3 customized audios for your daily choice. So you can just record the customized audio as welcome, or maybe a warning audio. So up to your daily requirement. And two-way audio via HikiConnect apps for easy application. So let's have a general view about the key features as we mentioned previously for Hikvision Smart Hybrid Light cameras. For Smart Hybrid Light with ColorVu, only for the models with ColorVu functions, with a special f1.0 super confocal lens, provides an extremely perfect colorful night vision experience. Second, a combination of IR and white light with a smart light supplement mode to take care the both concealing and colorful image as expected. You can choose IR mode, white light mode, or even smart mode, or maybe off mode, right? Just turn off the whole light accordingly. Third, the AccuSense technologies. Kindly noted that the smart hybrid light mode, why we put smart, it means it should work and be realized along with Hikvision AccuSense technology together, which including the Motion 2.0 or perimeter protections. What's more, easy and convenient control via HikConnect apps in any place as you want. The last is just as mentioned. For special requirement, we offer more function as Lifeguard to provide you an active alarm functions in your night surveillance. So those all 5 are the key features of Hikvision Smart Hybrid Light cameras. Clear? Okay, after technologies and features introductions, just let's take a look at the available product in details for your further reference. Generally speaking, Hikvision provides smart hybrid light cameras in both Turbo HD analog series and IP camera series. So both analog and IP cameras are all available for your further choices. For Turbo HD analog, as a part of the Hikvision Value series, we provide models with 3K 5 megapixels, that means 3K 5 megapixels, and 1080p 2 megapixels for your choices. Cameras equipped with smart hybrid lights and smart mode by default. So the default working mode when you receive the camera is smart mode. And which more, 300 meters audio over coaxial cabling with built-in MAC, so AOC functions as well. Maximum 40 meters IR or white light performance. Is it enough? Oh, what's more, right? Line 1XX3 G2 series. So kindly noted, the model name is 1XX3 3G2 series IP camera. Provide a fixed lens and varifocal lens in both, with a resolution range from 2 mega up to 8 mega. And for the models, end up with a /SL in the first row. With a /SL, adjust the special models with Lifeguard functions. And for the models with -U are equipped with built-in MAC for your further choices, built-in MAC. Line 3XX6 G2 H series. And kindly noted that line 3 series is from Hikvision's product range. It's more powerful. And now for the 3XX6 G2H, not only with the powerful video perceptions and analysis functions, but also with extensive adaptability with the smart hybrid light as well. Model choices with fixed lens and varifocal lens is from 2.7 to 13.5 millimeters, more suitable for the project applications for your further reference. Of course, don't forget the ColorVu cameras upgraded with smart hybrid light. So compare with the traditionals, let's see what kind of models we can have. Turbo HD smart hybrid light cameras with ColorVu. The model first, DF0T-LS series, so end up with LS. Powerful performance with maximum 40 meters IR and white light. Also, along with the 300 meters lens audio over coaxial cable. But kindly noted, that the default mode when you receive the cameras for the smart hybrid light camera with ColorVu series, the default mode is white light mode, because the purpose of ColorVu is to provide a 24/7 colorful image. So we hope and keep the white light all the time. So default is by white light, but you can configure and make a customized configuration accordingly as you want. Second, accept to the 2 megas KF3T-L 3K 5 megapixels Turbo HD analog cameras. So if you find the model name is end up with -E series, that means it supports POC, power over coaxial cables functions. That means you no longer need an extra power supply for the cameras, just one coaxial cable for both videos and power supply. So more convenient for the system deployment. And the default light supplement is also white light, okay, in white light mode to ensure the 24/7 colorful information image performance. What's more, for the IP cameras, line 1XX7 G2H series, value series, provide fixed with 2.8 millimeters and 4 millimeters for daily use, and maximum 30 meters IR and white light. Also, default light supplement mode is, yes, white light, but you can change and configure in smart mode or others accordingly. Okay. And line 2, Pro series models with 2XX7 G2 series provide more powerful light performance, maximum 60 meters IR or white light supplement, and a varies of resolution from 4 mega, 6 mega, and maximum 8 megapixels to meet the different daily monitoring requirements. And of course, the unique f1.0 super focal lens with performance can reach to 0.005 lux, low illumination performance to ensure the night vision image performance. And kindly noted that for the varifocal motors, we can reach to f1.2. So it is a small difference. And models with /SL are about the smart hybrid light cameras with ColorVu, along with Lifeguard functions. Yes. So models with /SL just means Lifeguard with smart hybrid lights and ColorVu. Okay. So about the available models for you for your further daily application in different scenarios. And some colleagues may ask, Naim, now regarding for the smart hybrid light functions, when we get the cameras, is it easy to configure or to use? Difficult? Oh, don't worry, all right? We don't need too much spend too much time to learn from zero. Okay, so configuration of the smart mode is quite easy to handle by just only one click, as just showing here in the picture. We can configure the smart mode through the camera or the DVR's web client or local GUI client, or even through your HackConnect apps. So various of ways and very easy. Just select light supplement light mode, change it to smart, so everything will be saved up. And then configure your smart functions with motion 2.0 or parameter protections to make it work out. Okay, so smart hybrid light functions. Smart, it means it's relevant to the AccuSense functions, motion 2.0, and the AccuSense parameter protections. So don't worry, for IP solutions, it's working along with IP cameras, and for Turbo HD analog systems, it's related to the Turbo HD DVRs. Okay, so let's see how it works. Here we got the demo video. We can see how it works. It is a typical scenario during the night, right? So if no objects existing, it is black and white. But when a person or any vehicles, cars, treasured, so you see in a certain short time, it will turn on the white light and give you a extremely perfect, colorful image with nothing to lose. We can see the details. How do you like to check the image performance? So when the warm light, supplement light turn on, people said, oh, Naim's image is pretty good. Or maybe they think it is still in the daytime, right? But actually, it's a night vision. And when the object left, let's see, it will keep a certain time for the colorful image. Still working for that. And then automatically turn on the IR light again to keep concealing. So quite smart. You like it? So generally speaking, what are the recommended scenarios for our smart hybrid light cameras and how to lead in the customer's daily application? First, like the residence or compound areas, very typical scenarios of daily application, right? Concerns for the concealings and the colorful image a lot. Second, retail scenarios to watch out and prevent from the trespasser, thieves, or any dangers, which can realize the person or vehicle cars detections with the motion 2.0 or the perimeter detections. So only when the object occurs, then the white light on, just like as what we showed in the demo videos, to capture the colorful image. Otherwise, it will be the IR light on to keep the concealment of the camera. Warehouse, same logic of the concerns of the concealment of the camera and no losing of the object's colorful features. Warehouse. Perimeter protections, one of the most typical scenarios for our daily security monitoring. So the smart hybrid light will provide you not only the concealment of the camera, but also the more accurate of the event and object detection to increase the daily security efficiency. Okay, all about what we are going to show about our smart hybrid light cameras along with the features and advantages in the first open course. Short, but valuable. Hope that we can benefit you a lot. And if you are looking for a further deepened knowledge about Hikvision's product and solutions, it is warmly welcome to visit our Hikvision e-learning systems to get abundant knowledge with a series of certificate courses and get your certificate after the exam. Okay. And one more last thing. For our open course will be a kind of series courses. So for the next open session, we will show up for the latest Hikvision Smart Management Switch to bring you and introduce you a different security network status management experience to make your daily system monitoring more efficient. Okay, and look forward for your joining. Thank you. Okay, so now we come to the last part for the open course. So any questions, you can just feel free to ask in the chat box. And our engineers there will be ready to answer.
看嘛，就有够这个。
Okay, we will have 5 minutes Q&A time for you. Any issues or questions, just feel free to ask. Yes, thanks for Engineer Russell. Yes, if you have a spotlight shining in the area, if you configured the event, that means it will, for the Lifeguard series, it will work. Yes, the alarm light. But for the supplement light, if it is ColorVu cameras, if it is a ColorVu camera, it will not work because we have enough environment light. Okay, dears. Okay, so if nothing more, then let's start with a quiz with a prize. All right, not that difficult. Okay.
No. 麦开了。I will explain to you how to get your Hike Partner Pro ID. Okay, just like the picture, if you download the Hike Partner Pro application, then you can see on the right bottom there's an icon called MEA, right? Tap that icon, and then you will enter your profile, and then tap your profile photo. Then you can see your Hike ID is here. This is very important because we will need your ID to deliver the prize to you before the quiz. Okay, now, as long as it's clear, let's start the quiz. Just 1 minute. Now we will start the quiz. As I have sent the link of the quiz to the chat box and also the password. You can use the link and password to join the quiz. Just click the link and use the code, then you can join. We have already 10 people inside the quiz. Oh, we have already a lot of people inside. Now we will wait for 2 minutes, 2 minutes more, and we will start the quiz. So we can see how. So we can see who will win the final big prize. We have 14 people now. Guys, please join the quiz. I have sent the link in the chat room, or you can scan the code. Yes. You can scan the code also on the screen, scan the code, and then you can join the quiz. We are still waiting for you. Now we have 16 people. Let's say we start the quiz when we have 30 people, yeah? Come on, guys. When we have 30 people, I will start the quiz. I'm hoping half of you can get the prize. Let's see who's lucky. We need 10 more people. Come. Waiting for 9 more people. 8. 7 more. 6. Come, 6 people. Come into the quiz and we will start. How to join. If you scroll up in the chat box, you can see I sent a link and also the quiz code. Yeah, so just click the link, or you can just scan the QR code on the screen. You will be able to join. We're waiting for 4 more people to start the quiz. Another minute. Okay, looks like the list is already full. We will stop waiting. We will just directly start, yeah? Okay, guys, get ready. Oh, I can see Mr. Khalid Ahmed is leading. Also, Najib is coming up. Come on, the other guys are still struggling with the first question, huh? Okay, we have Harun Ranawadia and Khalid Ahmed on the lead. Now, if you have filled your HPP ID in the first question correct, and if you win the quiz, we will send you the great gift, which Naeem will tell you. It's going to reveal in the next pages after the quiz. Okay. Good job, Russell Grayling. You are all very smart. Oh, the competition is very, very fierce. Now we have Hussein Ghazi on the top again. Coming up, Osman Yonas. Khalid Ahmed on the lead again. Okay, we can see Osman is finishing. Last question for Osman. Very nice, very nice. Let's go. We have 8 people doing nothing. You're still struggling about your HPP ID. Guys, if you cannot find your HPP ID, you can just fill your email address in the first question, and we will contact you after if you win a prize. Looks like we already have the winner, but some people have just started the quiz. Okay, so how about let Mr. Naeem to introduce what's the prize for the quiz while you guys finishing the quiz. Now I will give the screen to Mr. Naeem so that he can introduce to you what will be the price. You guys can continue on the quiz.
Okay, dears. Do you like the questions? Is it difficult? And hope you get something from today's open course. Okay, let's just introduce about the quiz with prize. Okay, according to your great performance, we will have first prize with is this RH1-Smart cordless and wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Oh, it's great. Okay, so let's see who's the first prize. And we will choose second prize for the battery powered camera kit. Each kit with 3 cameras inside. Okay, it's good, right? And we will have third prize with a smart fingerprint lock. Oh, looks nice as well. And if you are not that lucky enough, we will give you the lucky to have a participation lucky draw. We will have battery powered camera kit. Each kit with 2 cameras inside.
From all the people, we will lucky draw 10 people from all the people who have checked in with the code. Yes. So guys, if you scan the code, if you scan the code, we will lucky draw 10% from everyone who have checked in and pick 10 lucky winners to get the lucky prize, which is the smart camera kit, battery powered with 2 cameras. So now is the chance. If you haven't checked in, please do it now so that you can get the chance to win the lucky draw. Yes. If you're asking how to scan the code, just use the camera on your phone. There's an application, I think on your phone, it's called Camera. So just open it and then use your camera to scan the code. I have shared the link for checking in the chat box. If you cannot scan the code, you can also just click the link and then you will be redirected to the checking form. Just fill the form and you will have chance to win the lucky draw. And when you are filling your HPP ID, we have taught you how to find your ID, but if you cannot do it, you can just fill your email and then we can contact you via email also. We can see some people are still doing the quiz, but wow, Congratulations to Muhammad Adel Hamid. It seems you have got all questions correct. Amazing. I hope that too. Hope the lucky draw works in your favor. So guys, please scan the code on the screen, or you can just click the link to check in, so that maybe you can be lucky to win good gift. And also, if you have any questions, please leave it in the chat box so our engineer can help answering you. Good question. How to receive the prize? So we will contact you if you have put your HPP ID or your email address, and then you can send us your address. We will ship the gift to you. Guys, do you have any other questions? When redeemed to get gifts. Think about.
Okay, dears. Thanks for your coming again, and look forward to join our next open course. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.